Hello everyone, today I will show you how to zoom in and out of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Use the zoom slider. Drag the zoom bar at the bottom of the timeline to zoom in or out. Mouse scroll shortcut. Hold Control Windows or Command Mac and scroll wheel to zoom smoothly. Keyboard shortcuts. Press Shift plus or minus to zoom in and out quickly. Two-finger trackpad gesture. If using a trackpad, pinch in or out to adjust the zoom. View menu option. Go to View, zoom in or out for manual control. And that is everything you need to know about how to zoom in and out of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.